Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about objective type questions in direction ratios and cosines. Level 1 pattern type model of questions DCs and DRs of lines. First question, if theta is an angle given by cos theta is equal to cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma by sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma, where alpha comma beta comma gamma are the angles made by a line with the axis OX, OY, OZ respectively, then the value of theta is. Here are the four options. In this problem, here one relation is given, cos theta is equal to cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma by sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. Cos theta is equal to cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma by sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. Here alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by OX, OY and OZ. Then the relation, here one concept, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 2. 1 by 2. Cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta equal to cos pi by 3. Therefore, theta equal to pi by 3. Second question, if the angles made by a line with the positive direction of x and y axis are complementary angles, then the angle made by the line with z axis. Here the four option is given. In this problem, let alpha equal to angle made by a line positive direction of x axis, beta equal to angle made by a line positive direction of y axis. Here one condition is given, the angles are complementary. Here alpha, beta angle makes with x and y axis, these are complementary. Sum of angles 90 degree and alpha plus beta equal to 90 degree. Beta is equal to 90 minus alpha. To find the angle made by the line with z axis, let gamma is equal to angle made by the line, angle made by the line with z axis. Here one relation, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Cos square alpha plus beta 90 minus alpha. Cos square 90 minus alpha plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Cos square 90 minus alpha, sin square alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1. 1 plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. 1 get cancelled. Cos square gamma is equal to 0. Therefore gamma equal to pi by 2. This is the answer. Here the fourth option is correct. Next question number 3. A line AB in three-dimensional space makes angles 45 degree and 120 degree with the positive x-axis and the positive y-axis respectively. If AB makes an acute angle theta with the positive z-axis, then theta equal to, here the four options given. In three-dimensional axis, here AB is a line. This line, alpha is the angle makes with positive x-axis. Here alpha equal to 45 degree. 45 degree. AB line makes 45 degree with the positive x-axis. Alpha equal to 45 degree. Here beta 120 degree. The AB line makes an angle 120 degree with the positive y-axis. Beta equal to 120 degree. Let here to find the angle AB makes an acute angle. Let theta is given. This is theta. Theta is equal to the line AB makes an acute angle with z-axis. This is the find. Here one relation, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here alpha value 45 degree, cos square 45 degree plus cos square 120 degree plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square 45 degree, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. Cos square 45 degree 1 by 2. Cos 120 degree, cos 180 minus 60, second quadrant, minus cos 60, the value is minus 1 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2 whole square, minus 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4, plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here LCM is 4. LCM is 4. 2 plus 1 by 4 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 2 plus 1, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. Cos square theta is equal to 4 minus 3, 1 by 4. Cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Here in this question, to find AB line makes acute angle. Here cos theta equal to 1 by 2, theta is equal to 60 degree, pi by 3. If cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2, theta equal to 120 degree, 2 pi by 3. Here in this question, this is the acute angle, then theta value is equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 is the right answer, second option. Next, fourth question. The DCs of the line passing through P 2, 3, minus 1 and the origin R. Here to find the direction cosines of origin is OP. Here P equal to 2, 3, minus 1. O equal to 0, 0, 0. This is the origin. Here to find first DRs of OP. x1, y1, z1, p coordinates, x2, y2, z2. DRs of OP x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, z1 minus z2. 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 0, 3, minus 1 minus 0, minus 1. Next to find DCs of OP. Here 2 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. 4 plus 9 plus 1, comma 3 by root of 2 square, 4 plus 3 square 9, minus 1 whole square plus 1, 9 plus 1, comma minus 1 by 2 square 4, 3 square 9, minus 1 whole square plus 1. Here 2 by root 14, comma 3 by root 14, comma minus 1 by root 14. In this option, plus this is the plus or minus. To multiply with minus 2 by root 14, minus 3 by root 14, plus 1 by root 14. Minus 2 by root 14, minus 3 by root 14, plus 1 by root 14. This is the third option is the right. Question number 5. If p equal to 3 comma 4 comma minus 12, then the DCs of OP are, here p is given, p equal to 3 comma 4 comma minus 12. Origin O equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0. The first coordinates x1 y1 z1, second one x2 y2 z2. First to find DRs of OP. x1 minus x2 3 minus 0, y1 minus y2 4 minus 0, z1 minus z2 minus 12 minus 0, 3 comma 4 comma minus 12. Next to find DCs of OP. Here distance between OP, root of 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16 plus 12 square 144. 9 plus 16 25, 25 plus 144 169, root 169 equal to 13. Next to find DCs of OP. DCs of OP is 3 by 13, comma 4 by 13, comma minus 12 by 13. This is the answer, DCs of OP. Here the first option is correct. Next model questions. Angle between two lines. Sixth question. The projection of vector on the three coordinate axes are 6 comma minus 3 and 2 respectively. The DCs of the vector are, here projection of vector on x-axis x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 is equal to 6. Projection of vector on y-axis y2 minus y1, that equal to minus 3. Projection of vector on z-axis z2 minus z1 is equal to 2. Here DRs of the line segment, DRs of the vector is x2 minus x1 6, comma y2 minus y1 minus 3, z2 minus z1 2. These are the DRs A, B, C. To find root of a square plus b square plus c square, 6 square 36 minus 3 whole square 9, 2 square 4. 36 plus 4, 40, 49. Root 49 value is 7. Here, if A comma B comma C are DRs, these are the DRs, then DCs A by root of a square plus b square plus c square, comma B by root of a square plus b square plus c square, comma C by root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula. Here 6 by 7, comma minus 3 by 7, comma 2 by 7. Second option, sorry, third option is the right answer. The DCs here, to find the DCs of the vector. DCs of the vector is 6 by 7 comma minus 3 by 7 comma 2 by 7. Third option is correct. Question number 7. The angle between the diagonals of the parallelogram formed by the points 1 comma 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 2 comma 3 comma 2 4 comma 7 comma 6. These are the four options. Let A equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, B equal to minus 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1, C equal to 2 comma 3 comma 2, D equal to 4 comma 7 comma 6. These are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. Here to find the angle between the diagonals of the parallelogram. Here AC and BD are the diagonals of the parallelogram. First, to find direction ratios of AC. Direction ratios of AC. Here the x1 capital A coordinates x1, y1, z1 and C coordinates x2, y2, z2. Direction ratios x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. Here 2 minus 1 comma 3 minus 2 comma 2 minus 3. 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1. Next, to find direction ratios of BD. Here directly apply direction ratios of BD. 4 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 4 plus 1 5, 7 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 7 plus 2 9, 6 minus of minus 1, 6 plus 1 7. These are the direction ratios of AC and BD. Here A1, B1, C1, this coordinates A2, B2, C2. To find the angle between AC and BD. Here theta is the angle between AC and BD. The formula cos theta equal to mod A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square by root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. To apply direct values, cos theta A1, A2 1 into 5, 5 modulus of 5, B1, B2 1 into 9, 9 plus minus 1 into 7, minus 7, here minus 7 by root of A1 square 1 plus B1 square 1 plus minus 1 whole square 1, A2 square 5 square 25, B2 square 9, 9 square 81, 7 square 49 plus 49. 9 plus 5 14, 14 minus 7 7 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 root 3. Here to add these numbers, 25 plus 81 106, 106 plus 49, 9 6 15, 155. Root A into root B, root AB, 3 into 155. 7 by 3 5s 15, 3 5s 15, 16, 3 1s 3 4, 465. 7 by root 465. Theta equal to cos inverse of 7 by root 465. This is the answer. Fourth option is correct. Question number 8. If theta is the angle between two lines whose DRs are 1 comma minus 2 comma 1 and 4 comma 3 comma 2, then secant theta by 2 plus cosecant theta by 2. Here the four options given. Here direction ratios of line 1 1 comma minus 2 comma 1. This is A1, B1, C1. Direction ratios of line 2, 4, 3, 2, A2, B2, C2. Theta equal to angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. First check A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. If A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0, theta equal to 90 degree. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. 1 into 4, 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 6, 1 into 2, 2. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 minus 6, 0. Therefore, theta equal to 90 degree. Next, to find secant theta by 2 plus cosecant theta by 2. Here, theta value is 90 degree. Secant 90 by 2 plus cosecant 90 by 2. 2 was 245. Here 2 was 245. Secant 45 degree plus cosecant 45 degree. Secant 45 degree value root 2. Cosecant 45 degree value root 2. Root 2 plus root 2. 2 root 2 is the answer. Here the third option is correct. Question number 9. If P equal to 0, 1, 2, Q equal to 4, minus 2, 1, origin O equal to 0, 0, 0. Then angle POQ. Here the four options are given. P equal to 0, 1, 2. Q equal to 4, minus 2, 1. O equal to 0, 0, 0. To find the angle between POQ. Here to find direction ratios of OP. Direction ratios of OP. OP. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. Here this is A1, B1, C1. Next to find direction ratios of OQ. Direction ratios of OQ. 4 minus 0, 4. Minus 2, minus 0. Minus 2, 1 minus 0, 1, A2, B2, C2. First to check A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. 0 into 4, 0 plus 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 2 into 1, 2, 0, minus 2 plus 2. This value is 0. Therefore, angle POQ equal to pi by 2, 90 degree. The fourth option is right. Question number 10. If the line joining the points k, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is parallel to the line joining the points minus 4, 3, minus 6, 5, 12, L, then k, L. Here the four options are given. First point, let A is equal to k, 1, 2, B equal to 3, 4, 6. To find direction ratios of AB, 3 minus k, 4 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 2, 4. Next points, let C is equal to, minus 4, 3, minus 6, D equal to 5, 12, L. Direction ratios of CD, 5 plus 4, 9, 12 minus 3, 9, L plus 6. Here the direction ratios of AB, A1, B1, C1. Direction ratios of CD, A2, B2, C2. Here the line AB is parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. To apply condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. a1 3 minus k 3 minus k by 9 is equal to b1 by b2 3 by 9 c1 by c2 4 by l plus 6. Here 3 ones 3 3. 3 minus k by 9 equal to 1 by 3 equal to 4 by l plus 6. 3 minus k by 9 is equal to 1 by 3. 3 ones 3 3. Cross multiply 3 into 1 3. 3 minus k equal to 3. K equal to 3 minus 3 0. K value is 0. Next to find 4 by l plus 6 is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply 3 into 4 12. L plus 6 is equal to 12. L is equal to 12 minus 6 6. K comma L 0 comma 6 is the answer. Second option is correct. Okay, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. This is the level 1 pattern type questions. Some models are there in level 1 pattern type. Next video discuss about that questions. If you have any doubt, drop them in the comment section.